KEMIMOTO heated vest. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three Rivers Survival. So I was sent this nice warming vest. This is by KEMIMOTO. KEMIMOTO also has a different bunch of heated products. This is just a vest. They also have a hoodie. They also have gloves and I think socks. So if you are like me and want a really cool Christmas present to keep you warm in these cold wintry months, I think you can't go wrong with one of these vests. Right now this one is selling for about $80. You can get them a little cheaper at other locations, but I will put the links down below if you're interested. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you buy from me, it only costs you like cents on the dollar, so thank you very much for that. Check all the links down below as well. Also like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. So let's get into this, guys. So this vest I've been wearing for approximately 3 weeks now. I wear it underneath my coat. It is a form-fitting vest, as you can see in the video. Form-fitting means that there's very little space in between. I wear an extra large shirt, so I purchased an extra large vest. For me, this fits best. The heating elements are carbon fiber. There are zones on the vest, and when I drop the camera, we'll get into all of that. But you need to get your size. Whatever size shirt you wear is the size vest you need, and again, it will be form-fitting. So if you're trying to give it to somebody, make sure you get that appropriate size. As you can see, the controls are really easy. They're right here. All right, there is a hood portion, so if I tap on this and hold it down, it'll start glowing. Red is going to be your first option, and again, to heat up the vest is also going to start glowing. And then as you go through it, you can just click it one time. It'll turn white, which is the medium setting, and blue is the longest setting. Okay, and again, depending on how you want to wear your vest or how you're wearing your heating clothes or your jacket over it, that's going to depend on what your zones are and what temperatures you're comfortable with. Again, now that it's wintertime, it's about 30 degrees outside. Typically, the vest takes about 5 minutes to warm up. All right, so it's not going to be an immediate heat as you're moving, as you're working, or whatever it is. I will say that the battery life is not that great. You're looking at probably, if you are going to the red setting, you're probably getting a little bit more than an hour. If you're going to the middle setting, you're probably going to get about an hour and a half. And if you're going to the lowest setting, maybe 2 or 3 hours, depending on how you're using the vest and which elements that you are activating. So let me drop the camera and we'll get into it. There's 3 different heating temperatures. The first one is going to be 140 Fahrenheit, which is blinking in red. The second one is going to be 122 Fahrenheit. That is the medium setting. And the lowest one is going to be the blue, which is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, again, don't take that with a grain of salt, because again, your body will be moving. Easy to just shut it off. You just hold it down for a couple seconds and it goes off. All right. The product itself is machine washable, so if you take the battery out, you can go ahead and throw it inside the wash, which is nice. It does have directions on there. It is 100% polyester. The lining is 100% polyester, and the hood is polyester and spandex. Now, the battery pocket is over on the left-hand side, and it's just a USB connection with the battery. So you just take this out. This is how it connects to the jacket itself. And what I like about this, it has this button on the side where it will tell you how much battery life is left. Now, I will say that to charge this battery, it takes about 5 to 6 hours. So understand that this is going to take 5 to 6 hours to charge, and typically you're getting about 2 to 3 hours of heated vest usage. All right, so make sure you understand that. If you want to pick up another battery, KEMIMOTO also has extra batteries that you can purchase and then plan accordingly. The way you charge this battery is either USB or the micro USB. Again, plug it into your wall or use a USB cable and it works pretty well. KEMIMOTO makes other products. So it's not just a vest. They have hoodies, they have gloves, they have socks, they have a whole bunch of heated elements. The elements, again, like I said, are made of carbon fiber. On this vest specifically, the heating elements are here down near the stomach area and near the hands area. So what that allows you to do is you could put your hands inside the pockets while your midsection is getting heated, and also your hands will get heated as well. On the back, it's the upper portion of the back. All right, so you can actually feel inside here. There's nothing down by the lumbar. It's up here. And you also have a hoodie, which is also heated. And what's really nice about that is if you are wearing a hat or something that it gets really cold out, you just roll out this hoodie. It rolls up nice and convenient. And again, the heating elements are near the ears. All right, so that's awesome. I did wear the hoodie once or twice. I do feel that it is a good added feature because of the ear protection. And again, it does have drawstrings in there, so if you want to pull it tight around your head, you can. But I like this vest. I think this is one of the first times I'm using heating type clothing. I was never really into it, but now I can clearly see the benefits of it. I don't always use the hood. I don't wear hats, that kind of thing, but you could also turn this on without the hood extended, and then you have a nice little neck roll that also heats up. So that's another added bonus. This is also a waterproof fabric. Again, like I said, these are machine washable safe. Just make sure you take the battery out. I will say, if you're not used to wearing something like heated clothing, it may be a little bit jarring when parts of your body start heating up. But after a while, you get a little bit comfortable with it. You can put a hoodie or a sweatshirt underneath this. But typically what I would do is I would wear a t-shirt or a thin layer, put this on as my warming layer, and then put a jacket on over it. All right, that's that triple layer system. If you wanted to wear something such as a long sleeve t-shirt or long johns, it's probably going to do you well. What I really like about this is that it comes in different colors. Again, females, you can get it in pink if you want, but this is a really nice jacket for hunting or being outdoors or shoveling the snow or riding your motorbike, whatever it is. It works very, very well. Again, you are limited as to how long it will work. Typically, the way most people use it is they start it off before they go outside. Once it's heated up and they get their body temperature regulated, then they shut it off. And then if you get cold, you can put it back on and then rewarm yourself. All right. But when you're moving around, your lowest setting, medium setting is probably about right. You're really not using that much of the heated unless it's super cold outside and you just started to work outside. Let's go back up top, guys. All right, guys. So again, I'm a big fan of this. This is brand new to me. And again, I'm sort of an old FUD, but I do like that they sent me this, and I'm going to start looking at other products. I'm going to put all the links down below for you guys if you are interested in this vest. I think it's definitely worth a Christmas present. Again, they're probably this vest right here runs about $80 depending on where you get it, and I know they have coupon sales and a whole bunch of things on Amazon, so I'll put the links down below. Guys, please make sure you like, subscribe, share. If you want to be a Patreon, it only costs you $1 a month, and you get to watch videos like this before anybody else, so go ahead and jump on that. Also, check out my other channels, 3 River Blades, 3 River Books, and 3 River Kydex. All right, guys, thank you very much, and as always, stay safe.